So this is the Ulanzi GoPro holder. So you just need to press it here. See, it is given push. Press it and then take it out. Then you can press it like this and then pull out. So this thing comes out. So now you can put your GoPro, fit it inside properly, and then you can put this cover back. Just press it. Now it is locked. Now you can remove your battery and put your battery, remove your memory card and put your memory card, and this thing can go like this. Finished. Now you can put the adapter, mic adapter. So for that, first you have to push it through this hole. See? And then it will go like this. See? This thing goes inside like this and it is fit. Now you can put your adapter to the C pin. Done. Now you can put your mic here, and if you want to use charging, you can put your USB-C type charger here, and you can do logging continuously if you want. So here's the gap for pressing the shoot mode, and this is for the switching on and switching off. So this is the boxing of GoPro in your Ulanzi GoPro holder.